everyone, and welcome to Semicon Taiwan 2025. I'm here at Camtek's booth with Rafi Amit, CEO, and Omri Katz, Senior Vice President for Marketing and Sales Support at Camtek Limited. Gentlemen, thank you very much for having me here. So first thing first, can you please maybe tell us a little bit more about Camtek, for those who may not be familiar yet with the company, maybe those who are new in the industry, and your role in the company.
Okay, so Camtek is the leading provider of inspection and metrology system for the advanced packaging segment in the semiconductor. The role, I am the CEO of the founder and the CEO of the company. Omri is the VP marketing in the company. You want to add?
I think yes, we are providing already more than 20 years of inspection and metrology solution for the semiconductor, whether we are talking about the advanced packaging, as Rafi mentioned, and many other segments. And we are targeting to continue to grow.
So what is Camtek's overall theme here at the Semicon Taiwan this year?
I see in this show we present usually the recent technology that's supposed to serve the new advanced packaging technology, mainly from the high performance computing using the AI application. So the two models are the Oak and the Eagle G5. These two were designed to give a very good answer for the hybrid bonding, for micro bump, high density, and all the high-end application for the semiconductor.
So from your perspectives, given your really long experience in the industry, I believe, what are the biggest challenges that you have seen from your customers' perspective in the industry, semiconductor industry, and what are causing these issues?
I would say today that there are two main challenges, okay? The first one is the overall environment, economically environment of the semiconductor. You know, semiconductor is depend on what we call electronic end product, the demand, the growth rate. And right now, because the weakness of overall economics in many countries, we don't see a huge demand, and the result is relatively low utilization in the fab. This is number one challenge. On the other hand, there are one segment, the HPC, that is growing very fast with a lot of new technology that adapted by the manufacturer, and we have to come with a very advanced solution in short time in order to give all the manufacturer good solution for these new technologies.
Right. Do you have something to add?
Yes, I'm thinking that usually the semiconductor industry driven by some new end user application, okay, like the AI. And definitely it will be interesting and challenging to see the next one coming ahead. And this will drive the industry even further.
Mm-hmm. Where is Camtek coming in to help the industry, your partners, your customers, address those specific challenges?
Number one, inspection in general is a key element when you develop a new technology. We help customer to get a good feedback immediately, improve the process, and come with reliable and stable process. Now, in the semiconductor industry, a process could be approved only when the yield is high. This is the key for saving cost. So by using inspection, we can definitely contribute to maintaining high yield of the module. We talk about module is the HPC.
Right.
By inspecting and verifying that only good, non-good dyes enter to the module, we can guarantee that the module efficiency and yield will be high.
Right.
So this is the major, and definitely new technology needs a lot of customization, special requirement that Camtek is well known as a very quick response to customization requirement from customer.
Yeah, so I think the movement for stacking device, as Rafi mentioned, the packages, it even drive the inspection and metrology more important because each die can influence the full package and therefore single die can make a full package damaged. So the inspection and metrology become today, when you are talking about advanced application, even more critical and more important.
So, can you please tell us some of the latest technologies from Camtek that are aimed at addressing these new complexities in packages, IC packages?
I would say that we see right now two major issues in the technology. One is starting to see the hybrid bonding,
Right.
and the demand for hybrid bonding for the high end, asking for detecting a very small defect, a very small particle in a level of about 150 nanometer. This is relatively new because until now, a few hundred micron or nanometer was good enough for the advanced packaging. Now they go down to nanometer level. So the OC is designed for this. This is a very important issue. Always the throughput and the detection and minimum of false call could be managed by the EDC and ADC, all this software that we develop in order to improve the process in customer. So these two systems actually come with such solutions.
Yeah, our latest Eagle Gen 5 come with a clear sight technology that basically enable us to suppress the inner layer and to reduce, as a result, the number of false call and to focus only on the critical defect and then to make all the cycle more efficient.
So, you mentioned the Eagle Sight technology, right? Can you say that that's one of the unique features of the product, the technology? And can you mention others?
I think the Eagle Gen 5 with the clear sight technology, yes, this is one of the key advantage and technology that we developed recently. In addition, I think our triangulation capability, what we call the white light triangulation, enable us to be a market leader for all the bump height measurements. We are measuring all the bump. We are measuring today hundreds of millions of bumps in a single wafer. So processing all this data and to provide a very accurate and repeatable information to the customer is critical.
Now, I would like to add, look, when customer or all the manufacturers develop a process, they want to achieve two major issues. Number one, it should be advanced feature. Second, they want to maintain or to reduce the cost. So to reduce the cost, you need to guarantee high yield and high throughput. So it is not enough to come with solution for detecting, but to maintain high throughput.
Right.
Okay, so this is the key. Two major issues that the OC and the Eagle 5 provide.
And I think one of the key issues right now is the automation in the industry. So, can you mention how Camtek is supporting the automation trend? How are you integrating automation features in your metrology solutions to help customers accelerate their workflow, their process?
The idea of automation is to save manpower because you work 3 shifts, not easy to hire enough people to maintain, so number one. Second is handling issue. More, operator can bring you more trouble. So by using high level of automation, you can save these two. And all our machine can run totally fully automatic. You don't need operator to run the machine. And also to analyze defect, what type of defect, it could be done by AI. So all this together, definitely Camtek is in very good situation in this too.
I think basically the AI-based algorithm that we are working and developing, this is part of it. Okay, it's a built-in engine to make the accuracy and detection capability much better, reduce the false alarm and focus only on the critical defect. On top of it, we are planning to use the AI technology in order to simplify the recipe and to make it more automated.
So, gentlemen, I'm almost done with my questions. Can you please tell us more about your outlook for the coming year, for the overall semiconductor industry, and what should the industry look out for? What opportunities do you think will drive the market, and how is Camtek positioned to take advantage of these opportunities?
Okay, let's start with the position. As I mentioned in the beginning, Camtek is the leading provider in the advanced packaging segment. We have hundreds of machines in this segment. Usually, semiconductor customers prefer to continue with the same provider if he can maintain the quality, the requirement, maintenance, everything. So Camtek all the time spend a lot of money and invest in order to maintain its competitive advantages and support customer with a lot of customization, special feature, and give them all the time a better throughput, better detection. This is we do all the time. So if I go to the next few years, as I mentioned before, the engine that we see is the HPC AI application. This growth engine is the key for Camtek's success. Now, the rest of the industry right now, as I said, it's maybe temporary. When the economy situation will improve, definitely we see again growth in this area as well. So we play with these two major segments and have very good tools and answers for the industry.
That's Rafi Amit, CEO, and Omri Katz, Senior Vice President for Marketing and Sales Support at Camtek Limited. I'm Stephen Las Marias. Thank you very much for watching.